Okay, now our employee group actually, and we have the employee subgroup grouping that we defined in the previous step. Let me just get a screenshot. Okay. 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 Now we have that. We have grouped the employee subgroups. Now the next step. The next step is define groupings for public holiday calendar. Public holiday calendar over here, we have personal area, which is Philadelphia, and the sub area within that personal area is the factory and the office, and the holiday schedule calendar is already assigned. So I'll take a snapshot of this so that we have a record. Okay, now next step is set work schedule rules and work schedules. Okay, now our employee subgroup, if we look at it, our employee subgroup, for example, is U8 and U9. Benetton? Okay, and employee subgroup grouping for work schedules. B1 is the holiday calendar ID, and the personal subgroup 77, which will actually drive the scheduling, and the scheduling rule that we've already defined is actually starting from this calendar date. Let me take this snapshot. Okay, even if this seems to be a little daunting, the notes that we're taking, of course, will be helpful, and that will be shared with the configuration node. That is going to be a great help for everyone. Okay, now this is where actually the personal subgroup and holiday calendar IDs are generated at one place for your office and for your factory. It's all basically work scheduling is done and now we actually generated manually. Okay, employee subgroup grouping. First subgroup grouping is 7. Holiday calendar ID is B1. Sub area grouping, which is okay. It will be 70, 77. Work schedule rule already made a reference copy. Work schedule rule that is BNWS 01 2024 to 12 2024. Now this is going to create the work schedule for every already exists. Okay, enter. 03 also existing, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08. Let's save it. Okay, now we have okay. Now this is the work schedule that has been generated for all the um for all the months basically. Okay, with the dates. This for February till 29th. Okay, because it is a leap year, so it will have a 29th day as well. And this is basically Sundays that have been calculated, and this is the generalized day. And we've already configured these as well. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back manually and yes, has been done and screenshots have been taken. Plan working time is next. Set default value for work schedule. Okay, now over here we need employee group. Now our employee group starts with employee subgroup grouping, and employee group is A. A. Okay, active Benetton employee subgroup, Benetton X7, X8, BNS, WS, and this is already generated. And we'll take a snapshot of this. Okay, already saved. The again, not changed. Okay, now let's PA30. Let's create a persona. We'll try to create a persona. Select an input type actions from period. Um, 01, 24, create. Okay, hiring a reason for action. Personal area, this will be Philadelphia. Position, if we have created position employee group, which is A. Employee subgroup is X7. Position, we'll have to see if we have created that. We don't have a very credible reason right now. Reference personal numbers. Don't need that. Okay, and personal area. Okay, BN. I think it's BN01. Benetton is not there. Benetton. Okay. Okay. Save. Number range is external. Enter a personal number. Okay. Personal number can be like 90 90012. Let's do it. 77. Personal is internal or 02. Okay. 0277. Come on. Where's that small? Okay, record has been created 277. Okay. Last name Helix. FedEx. Okay, SSN number. This is social security number 8005931. Date of birth. Okay, nationality. Let's say Colombian. Okay, married. And this is basically personal data info type. So if you see, the field control is with us at the back end, we can have more of these fields from personal data info type. Save. Must consist of 9 digits. Okay, 9 digits. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, record was created. Now the next info type is family members. Okay, and Xerox birth date 30th of August 1981, and physician number, ID, disability dates for indicator medical smoker. Okay, this is good. Save. Now this is the master data that we're creating for our employee personnel. All the details that are relevant to that personnel will be entered. I want to actually reach the payroll data because some of the payroll data has not yet been configured. Sub area now. Sub area. Benetton factory. Okay. And percentage position not yet because we have to yet look at position. It's asking for position right now. I don't think we have created any position. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Acha, okay. Now we'll have to search for Benetton HR executive. Continue. Control B and T N do not exist. Okay. Controlling area. Okay. Controlling indicators do not exist. So we cannot actually some of the detail are still incomplete. Let's take it in the next one.